Hello guys, today we are going to continue with problems about pressure, part 2 of 3. This is the example. What is the force that the tip of a hypodermic needle exerts against someone's skin if the tip of the needle has an area of 0.00001 square meters and the pressure applied over the skin is 2 millions of Pascal? In this problem, we have area equals 0.000001 square meters. Then pressure equals 2 millions of Pascal. And we need to obtain force. Then force equals question mark. The formula for pressure is pressure equals force over area. In this case, we need to reorder the formula because we are looking for force. Then we need to move area to the other side of the equation. Area past the other side multiplying because in this side area is dividing. Area multiplying by pressure equals force. The following step is reorder the equation to we need to change the places and we need to write a correct equation. Force equals area times pressure. Now, substitution. Force equals 0.000001 square meters times 2 millions of pascals. And the result is force equals 2 square meters by pascals. Remember that the pascal is equal a Newton over a square meter. Then here we have 2 newtons over 2 square meters times newtons over square meters. Then we need to eliminate these units and finally we can obtain the value of force, 2 newtons. Then the result for this problem is force equals 2 newtons. And that's all.